Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is January 13th, 2020. I wanted to shoot this quick video to give you my 1 week results using the Prosperity Marketing System. So I'm going to log into my back office here and show you how my first week using this system has been. And I'm not going to go into detail on how the system works. I do have other videos on my channel that give brief overviews, and I'm going to do more videos in the future that go into greater detail on all the components of Prosperity Marketing System and how it works. But what I can tell you, it's a powerful system, and this is all I'm going to be promoting throughout the year, okay? I'll do weekly updates on my success that I'm having, all right? So here's my dashboard. I'm going to click on Affiliate Center, and I'm going to go to My Downline. All right, now as you can see, I have 26 members that I brought in my first week, okay? You come down here, you see my first sign up was on January 5th. I actually signed up for PMS at 11:30 p.m. on January 4th. I did not do any promoting until January 5th, and I received 2 signups on January 5th. January 6th, I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On January 7th, I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. January 8th, I received 3. January 9th, I received 2. January 10th, I received 1. And January 11th and 12th, I received 2 people signups, okay? Now over here under membership, these people come in as free tour takers, okay? Once they upgrade within the 7-day period, and by upgrade I mean they put in their credit card information and agree to be charged $12 at the end of the 7-day trial, they become a student, okay? And I have 3 of those right now, and it's 100% commissions. So I have 3 students that I'm going to make money on, 100% commissions minus the processing fees. It's going to be around $34, okay, that I'm going to receive my first week. Now the cool part about this, and without going into too much detail, is when you have a student under you and they go out and promote it, they're going to pass up their 2nd and their 4th sales to me. And that goes indefinitely. Okay? You can go as many levels deep. There's no limit. So the system is very powerful. There's a lot of leverage using this system, and it's all for $12. So it's something that if you're looking for a legit online opportunity to promote this year, this system is it, okay? It's been around since 2009, and they don't miss any payments. The owner, Darren Olander, he's been around a long time, and he knows what he's doing. He's very transparent. He's easy to get in touch with, and I highly recommend this system, okay? So, and by the way, I'm using all free traffic methods to get these people onto my team. All right, so 26 members, there's 3 students, and in fact I'm going to show you on my email over here. I have 1 person here. I'm hiding the information just to keep it private for them, but on January 6th he signed up, and this email came in just not too long ago. Cha-ching, you just made a sale. All right, again I'm going to block out their information, but you can see, congrats, you just made money. You sold Prosperity student tuition with trial. And if I log into my back office, again, I'm going to click on commissions, and you will see that I made $11.35, okay? Now the other reason, so it's 65 cents for the processing fee. So after everything is said and done, you're going to make $11.35 per sign up that follows through. That stays with you after the 7-day free trial, okay? The reason the other people have not shown up here yet is because they signed up in different, they're not done their 7-day trial. So as soon as that's done, this amount that I earn will go up, okay? And in next week's video, I will do an update and I'll show you my earnings. So the system works, folks. I mean, it's the easiest system by far that I have ever used. Another cool thing is you can promote other businesses in the back office here. So it is a downline builder as well. It comes with an autoresponder, splash page creator, and it's all for $12. And if you get your first sale, like I just did, what's it costing me? 65 cents a month. All right, you can't beat it. You really cannot beat it. So if you're looking for a way to make money online, contact me. Click on the link below. You can join Team Fi. All right, that's my team. I have a private Facebook group. I have some really cool bonuses. You're going to receive unlimited training and support from me. Also, your affiliate link will be placed in our team rotator, and I blast targeted traffic to that every single week. So I can't guarantee that you're going to get signups or sales from it, but I can guarantee you that I will drive traffic to it to help you out to get started. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll be glad to get back to you. You can also reach out to me through Facebook, and I look forward to working with you, okay? So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.